Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm gonna talk about a sonic electric toothbrush which I bought this week. So let's start. As you can see, the box is really good and fancy, and it has some instructions. It shows the modes which the product has: clean, white, polish, gum care, and sensitive. So I'm gonna open up the box and shows what we have. As you can see, I open up the box, and at the top of the box there's a product manual which shows the instruction about sonic electric toothbrush. Please make sure to read about it and follow the instruction. And also it has a charger and two W-shape heads and six U-shape heads. So let's start show the sonic electric toothbrush, the main product, which you can see it has one power on off button, and it has a M button that you can change the intensity level: soft, medium, hard, and 5 brushing modes, which is clean, white, polish, gum care, and sensitive. So you have totally 15 different modes to use this toothbrush. When you press this button, which you can see, it has the default modes: hard intensity level and on the clean mode. When you press just 1 second, it changed clean to white, and if you press more than 1 second, around 2 seconds, you can see it changed the intensity level. It is very easy to use the heads and change them, and you can just put the heads over here, and you can see it has a cupboard. So this is a W shape, which you can see it has kind of W letter. So you can see at the first intensity level, and for the clean one you can see how it moves, and also you can change the modes to clean to white, and has different kind of shapes on the head. And we can see polish and gum care, and this is sensitive. So let's change to the medium intensity level, so you can see how it sounds and how it shows the heads. And also I'm gonna show you the charger, how it's easy, and you can charge with your smartphone charger plug, which has a USB. So this is your charger, and you can just put it here. Besides the W-shape heads, there are also 6 replacement heads also. You can use those are also, and as you can see, it's very easy to use all of them. Power on. So this is the second intensity level, which is medium, and it's on the clean mode, and you can see how it shaves and how it sounds. So I'm gonna use it today and talk about my experiences. So I use this sonic electric toothbrush just right now, and it feels really good. It cleans my teeth amazingly. So I just use on the second intensity level, which is medium, and on the white brushing mode. It was great. It cleans your plaques 15 times more than manual toothbrush. So I can recommend this product to you totally. This is all about I can talk about this product, and thank you for watching. See you next time.